Hello guys, welcome back to Anything Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you why your Zelle is not working. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we should be checking here is some aspects on our mobile device or regarding Zelle. Now in this case, the first thing you should be checking here is if you have a stable internet connection. Now if you don't have a stable internet connection, then most probably the cause of this issue is your internet connection. So you might want to change your internet connection. Like for example, if you're using your mobile data, you might want to change this to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that solves your issue. Now in this case, this doesn't solve your issue. The next thing that we could do here is we have to check if we have the updated version of Zelle. Now in this case, go ahead and visit the Google Play Store here, search for Zelle and update the Zelle mobile application. And once you updated your mobile application, see if that solves your issue. Now from here on, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that we could do here is just basically clear the cache for Zelle. Now in this case, for example, this is the application for Zelle. You could go ahead and just press and hold on it, and from here you could go ahead and click on app info, and from here go to clear data at the bottom right, and from here just click on clear cache and just click on OK, and from there check if that solves your issue. Now if that doesn't solve your issue, the last thing and final thing that we could do here is we have to check if there are ongoing maintenance on the Zelle mobile application. So from time to time, there's going to be maintenance on the application itself, and during those time, you won't be able to access the application or you won't be able to log in during the maintenance. In this case, you just need to wait for the maintenance to finish, and from there on, check if that solves your issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.